All right, what's up, guys? It's coronavirus season. Take this mask off. It's been a little while since we've done any videos. We've been super busy working on some stuff that's been not very exciting. But this is a new product that I just came out with to kind of fill out the Molle panel racks that we do. There's two different versions of the dash one. There's this one that has the Molle section, and it gives you two pockets to put stuff, so your passenger can throw stuff up there. And then I got this one, which is a full Molle on this side, and then with the pocket over here that corresponds with the bump in the dash there. So for my car, I'm going with this one. And so basically we'll just do a little quick install video here. And of course you can pick these up on my website, which is echelondesignworks.com. I'll put a link down in the description. So basically, all the screws go into this part of the dash, not in this piece up here. This piece is kind of wobbly. So, but it does ride on that. And it comes with a little install kit with these little 1/2-inch spacers and the screws. It's all just hand screwed in through the pad of the dash. So basically you're just gonna kind of line it up with this edge over here and this edge here, kind of center it, and then same thing here, just kind of make it so it's kind of centered right on the bump there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put one screw in, and this one right here, all just by hand with the screwdriver. I'm not even going to go all the way, I'll just kind of let that hold it there.
What about the spacers, Dad?
Right now I'm just getting it started, not using the spacers yet. Put one in over here. This is just kind of this foam rubbery stuff, so it just kind of threads right in there. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll start all the holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. And then I'll get them all started. I'll take them back off, put the spacers in, and we'll just do a final install. It only takes a couple minutes. Alright, so this is super simple. So I got those all started. The only one I had trouble with was this one up here in the corner because of the windshield, and even this stubby screwdriver was a little long. But the screw actually threads right into this foam just by hand. Pretty easy. So now I'll take these back off. I'll put the spacers in, and that'll be it. This is like a 5-minute installation here. Alright, so I did have to do a little a Phillips on our little ratchet to get in this one over here in the corner. Even a little shorter would have been even easier, but everything else just screwed right in. I did hit on this one and these ones here like a harder plastic down in there, so I kind of pushed on it pretty hard and threaded it into something there a little bit, but it's nice and secure. This is just a standard Molle bag. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. There's all kinds of different bags. There's ones that this one opens all the way around. There's ones that just open on the side. So depending on what you want, you know, and then you put your stuff in there. So I don't even know if we got a ratchet in there right now, but and then there's also these holes here, these 3/8 holes, where you could mount like a GoPro mount or something, and so it could be shooting out the window. There's cell phone mounts could screw into those, so there's a bunch of series of different holes there. And you could also drill your own holes. So if you wanted to mount a GoPro up here in the corner, you know, before you install it, you could drill a couple extra holes and you could mount GoPro camera mount or a cell phone mount or anything like that. So there it is. Check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, guys. Thanks.
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I like the idea of it.
Yeah, I mean, you know, when we were out in Georgia last time, you know, this stuff was flying all over. So that was why, I mean,
Every time.
you know,
It
you
would-
throw something up in here,
my
and it
hat
just
would always
slide
fall
out. So
out.
now it's kind of just, you know, something to cut. You're out four wheeling. You
Yeah.
know, it'll just kind of help keep stuff in there. You know, so
Yeah.
same thing with here. You know, whatever. If you had, you know, as long as it's not too big, it's gonna pretty much hold it in there. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool idea. It's probably one of the more functional ones that we've got for this.
Right?
All right, cool. Edited this up.